So here we've got the HCH2 BCM voltage tap measurement gizmo. So it's measuring voltage, there's nothing plugged in at the moment. And you can see what I've made here. So I've made an adapter. So this is to adapt the Insight 10 tap connector to the HCH2 the 11 tap connector, and it would also be a trivial job to make an adapter for the HCH1 connector, so you'd be able to plug it into an HCH1 or HCH2 or the Insight G1. So I've got a G1 pack here. I'm just going to plug it in. And let's do it with one hand. So plug that in there. So now it's looking at the taps on the G1 here, and we're getting the 10 millivolt resolution. You can see that this pack has got a bad stick here. There's 9 of them are about 16.4, and there's one there at 15.77, so that's really bad. Now with the red LED is flashing, I'll need to just change the software so that it can differentiate between 10 and 11 sticks. So you set it for however many sticks you're going to be monitoring, so you could actually just monitor less sticks than 10 or 11 if you wanted to make an adapter for however many sticks you were particularly monitoring. So I'll just make a change in the software, so you just have to press the buttons to select the number of sticks you want to monitor, because at the minute it's flashing the LED, the red LED, to tell us that there is a greater than 250 millivolt deviation between the highest and lowest sticks. And it's just powered now from a 12 volt wall wart just into a little adapter here, and then into the BCM itself. And these two wires here are the F CAN and the IMA CAN if I want to listen to those at some stage in the future. And I've put a 3.5mm stereo jack plug here, so I can unplug this, so that this BCM can still be used in a car if I want to. Just unplug all this, and I can put it in a car. And this is the one which is obviously modified to do the serial tap reading. So that's where we are. Made an adapter, made it much neater, sorted out. I've actually made this as well work with the 16F886 pick, which is a slow old cheap pick, rather than having to use a CAN enabled one. So this is now running on an 8 megahertz pick, 28 pin pick. This was the original pick that we used for the OBD2 CNC 15 years ago or more. So I've got quite a stock of those kicking around, so there's no point using an expensive pick. So I just redid the code, recompiled the code for the older pick. It's more than adequate for this simple task that we're doing at the moment. So that's where we are. That's the HCH2 tap voltage measuring device being used with an Insight pack for 10 taps instead of 11.